Let me show you how you can save your Affinity Designer project as a SVG file. SVG file is more universal. More programs can edit and open this format. Alright, so let's learn how to export into that vector format. First, hit File menu at the top left and search for Export. You get this pop-up menu and you can change your file format. Search for SVG. And now you will see preview of your design. Right now exporting the whole document, whole artboard. If you want to export only selection, we need to step back, so cancel. Select the area you need, just like that. And again, File, Export, SVG, and you can change from whole document into selected area or selection only. In my case, I don't have any backdrop, but that's the difference. Selected area will still have a backdrop color, and selection only will be only the selection itself. SVG for export, and we can click export. And you are done. You successfully exported your vector graphics into universal SVG format. If your document is big and complex, you can also head to Export Persona here, when you can decide for each layer, each object, each slice, how you want to export that. So simply click on the slice and then change the preset to SVG, and you can click Export. Right now I got only one slice, so let's make a new one. I will make this area a new slice. Alright, so I got this slice number 1 with only this letter H, and also I got the original thing with the whole document. I can now select both, holding Shift, change preset to SVG, and I can select both like that and click Export Slices, and I will have 2 SVG files this time. So that's the method that I use when I got a big set, like 10, 15, 20, 30 icons in one document. I just slice them into smaller pieces like that and export all 30 icons as the separate SVGs. Alright, so that's the way. In most cases, you just head to File, Export. If you got very complex document, like you got a set of icons of clip arts, you can use Vector Persona as well. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.